I will introduce the real number system in this video. The first type of numbers that we need to talk about are the natural numbers. These are numbers we use to count things in nature. So for example, we can have one tree or two trees or three trees. We can never have 2.5 trees. So these numbers 1, 2, 3 are what we call natural numbers. This is a set of infinite number of numbers. So the set of natural numbers is an infinite set. Obviously, there are a lot more numbers than the natural numbers. So as we start adding more numbers in this set of natural numbers, then we will come up with other sets of numbers. So the next set of numbers we're going to talk about is the whole numbers. The set of natural numbers does not have the number 0 in it. If we include the number 0, then we get the set of whole numbers. So the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth are what we call the whole numbers. Now please understand that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but not all whole numbers are natural numbers. In other words, what we are saying is that the set of natural numbers is a subset of whole numbers. All the natural numbers are contained within the whole numbers, but 0 is a whole number which is not contained in the set of natural numbers. Now obviously there are other numbers as well. So we have negative numbers, for example, and when we include the negative numbers as well, then we come up with the integers. So integers are the natural numbers, the number 0, and the negatives of the natural numbers. So here is our set of integers, includes all the negatives of natural numbers, includes the number 0, and then also includes the natural numbers. The integers contain all of whole numbers. So whole numbers are a subset of integers. Negative numbers are not included in whole numbers, and natural numbers are a subset of integers as well as of whole numbers. So as we make our sets bigger, then the previous set becomes a subset of the newer set. Now there are also numbers in between integers. Those numbers which are in between numbers are in between rationals, they are called rational numbers. Another name for rationals is they are also called fractions, and the reason is that these are numbers which can be written as p over q, a fraction, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So here are some of our rational numbers, some examples of rational numbers. So negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 3, negative 1 over 4, 1 over 4, 1 over 3, 1 over 2. These are all rational numbers. Now all integers are also rational numbers. If you are given any integer, you can change that integer into a rational number by writing it as a fraction. All you have to do is make the denominator equal to 1. So for example, negative 2, which is an integer, can be written as negative 2 over 1. 4 is an integer, can be written as 4 over 1. 0 is an integer, it can be written as 0 over 1. So any integer can be written as a fraction by just making the denominator equal to 1. Now here's our set so far. So in the innermost circle you see there are natural numbers. That's the smallest number set of numbers. Next we have whole numbers. Outside whole numbers we have integers, and outside of integers we have our rational numbers. Now rational numbers are numbers that can be written as fractions. There are, however, some numbers which cannot be written as fractions. So those numbers are called irrational numbers. And just like rational numbers, irrational numbers exist between integers. So these are numbers which cannot be written in the form p over q, and some examples are here. So for example, negative square root of 2 is a number which you cannot write as a fraction. Pi is another irrational number. E is a number commonly used in math, approximately equal to 2.718, cannot be written as a fraction. Square root of 3, for example, cannot be written as a fraction. So these all numbers are irrational numbers. Now the rational numbers and the irrational numbers combined form what we call the real numbers. So on this diagram you can see all the different types of numbers which are included in the real number system. the natural numbers, the whole numbers, the integers, the rational numbers, and the irrational numbers. Now, if you would like to see videos on other topics, please write us an email. We'll make a video on that topic. If you like the videos, please like and share them and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question that you would like us to solve for you, please send us that question and we will make a video solution of that question for you. Thank you.